Are you tired of catching colds? If you said yes, stick around as I uncover 5 natural secrets to supercharge your immune system. Hey everybody, I'm Rob, and welcome back to Remedies Insider, where health meets wisdom. In today's video, we're diving into the power of nature to fend off colds. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more life-changing health tips. And on another note, I just want to say, I am back to doing my own voiceovers. From time to time, I will use AI. I do have my wife's voice cloned. I have a full-time job, and the AI just helps me with the voiceovers, and they do sound pretty good. But, like you really care, just wanted to be honest with you about that. Okay, after that last slide, I'm sure 50% of you did click away. Well, anyway, let's get ready and boost your immunity. First up, the ever-famous vitamin C. Found in oranges, lemons, and bell peppers, which I did not know bell peppers contained vitamin C. Vitamin C will help boost your immune system and helps fight off infections as well. So don't hesitate to squeeze that orange juice and get some much needed vitamin C. And don't forget, if your stomach can't handle orange juice, or maybe you don't like the taste of it, you can always take vitamin C supplements if you wish. You can pick them up at most pharmacies and health food stores. Moving on to our next natural defender, we have at number 2, ginger. Ginger is more than just a spice. Ginger is a root known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its power to boost immunity. Incorporate it in your diet, be it in teas or meals, to help ward off colds and soothe a sore throat. But we're not stopping there. Our third natural immunity booster is something you might not expect, and that is garlic. And garlic is known as one of the ancient remedies. Garlic isn't just for flavoring your pasta, it's a centuries-old remedy for boosting immunity. Its infection-fighting capabilities make it a must-have in your immunity-boosting arsenal. And it's super easy to implement. All you have to do is add it to your meals and enjoy its benefits. And the same goes with garlic. If you don't like the taste of it, you can always buy garlic supplements, as they're in most pharmacies and health food stores. We're at the halfway point. Are you ready for another immune system champion? Holding steady at number 4 is turmeric, better known as the golden spice. Turmeric has gained popularity over the last few years. It's known for its bright color and distinct flavor, but it's also a health powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory, helping your immune system function at its best. And it's super easy to add to your diet. You can simply make smoothies with the powder form, grind up the raw, make a powder, or you can buy the powder, and you can also take supplements. And last but definitely not least, our 5th natural way to boost your immunity is a little surprising. And it's one of my favorite and easiest ways to do it and boost your immunity is sleep. And as we sleep every night or day, your body goes into repair mode. And personally, I think it's overlooked a lot, but sleep is crucial for a strong immune system. Getting adequate sleep helps your body repair and regenerate, fighting off potential illnesses and diseases. And I know it's not easy to do, but try to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Me personally, I can only get about 5.5 to 6, and then I just wake up. So, which one of these 5 ways do you already use? And which are you excited to try? And don't be shy, drop a comment below and share your thoughts, and let us know which one you use or you're going to try. There you have it, folks. 5 natural ways to boost your immunity and keep those colds at bay. And remember, your health is in your hands. A little change can go a long way. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos for more insights into a healthier you. Stay strong and healthy, everyone. I'm Rob from Remedies Insider. Have a great day or night. And also, if you'd like a free home remedies book, click the link in the description, head on over to our blog, and you can grab it over there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it does helps us support the channel. And you can check out these other 2 videos if you like up here on the right hand side.